Hello guys, I want to show you how to make Rico animation kind of videos with your smartphone. We will be creating this animation on Flipper Clip. So let's go to Flipper Clip. So I just created a new project for the animation we're about to make. I'll be skipping some parts in this tutorial because of our time. I don't want this video to be too. So the first thing we're going to do here is to add a background to this project. But before we do that, let's add some layers here. Click on this layer icon here. We'll be needing 3 layers for this very project. We already have 1 layer here, so we only need to add 2 more layers to make them 3. So click on this plus button here. Then click on it again. Now we have our 3 layers. We need to rename each of these layers accordingly. The layer 1 will be the background layer. The layer 2 will be the character layer. Then the layer 3 will be the lips layer. You can change the name on the layers by clicking on the text area here. Then we change these to background, then these to character, then these to lips. Once we are done with that, then come back to the background layer. Now we have to add a background to this project. Click on these 3 dots here. Scroll down, then click on add image. We have to choose a background image from our phone gallery. I have a background already designed and saved to my phone, so I just have to select it here and add it to my project. I know many of you would want to learn how I was able to design a custom background for my animation. I think I would have to make a video on that. Yeah, I really have to do that for you guys. Maybe in my next video. So what we have here is our background image. We have to position this image to fit our screen properly. Hold on this tiny square box here and drag it slowly towards the center of our screen till it is positioned well. Okay, now we have a background on this project. The next thing we are going to do is to add our character to this project. We have to be on the character layer, so click on this character area. Then click on the character layer. We are going to be adding our character the same way we added the background to this project. So click on these 3 dots again. Then scroll down and click on add image. Then select your character's image from your phone gallery. This character has to be positioned properly to fit our screen. So hold here and drag it slowly towards the center. This is what we have. This character is really not looking nice. Maybe I should wear him a cloth and probably a hat also. Yeah, that will make him look more handsome. So let's do that quickly. We'll be making use of IB's Paint app to add more designs to our character. So right now we are on IB's Paint. We have to create a new project. Click on this plus icon here. Then click on OK. So we have to add our character to this project. Click on this layer icon. Then click on this camera icon here to select the image of our character. So click on this mark icon to save our character's image here. We have to cancel this. Yeah, we don't need that. So we want to add more designs to this character. We'll be adding these 3 items to our character's image. So let's move them to our character's position. Click on this tools icon here. Then click on this lasso tools. We'll be moving these items one after the other. We'll be starting with the hat. Select the hat area. Then click here to move the hat image around. We'll leave it here. Now we have to select the next item. Then we move it to where our character is. Then we select the last item, which is the pants. Then we'll leave it here. Now we have a better look of our character. So we have to save our character to our phone again. Then we add it to our project on Flipper Clip. So click on this arrow icon. Then click on Save Image. We have to save this image with a transparent background. Make sure this transparent is turned on. Then click on OK. Our character image has been saved. Let's go back to Flipper Clip. We have to remove this guy from our project. So click on this lasso tools here. Then we draw around the area where we have this guy. Then click on delete. Let's add our new character. Click here, then scroll down and click on add image. Select the character, then position the character to fit our screen. Now we have our character looking very sharp on this project. The next thing we have to do is to add an audio to this project. We will do that by clicking on this music icon here. Then click on this plus icon that is at the top right corner of our screen. Then click on add audio. We come over to our audio folder. Then we select the audio we want to use for our animation. This is the audio we are about to add to this project.
Hello guys, I want to show you how to make Rico animation.
We have to adjust the starting point of this audio. So we can do that by holding on this area, then drag it towards this direction. Then click on this play button to preview your audio. Once you are done, click here to add the audio. On this page, we have to hold on the clip we just added, then drag it to any of the tracks that are here. So I will hold here, then I move it here and leave it. So let's go back. So moving on, click on this play button to see how our audio sounds in this project.
Hello guys, I want to show you how to make.
You can see that other frames on this project are blank. We need to add our character and background to those blank frames. We can easily do that by duplicating this first frame to replace those blank frames. So click on this first frame, then this option will pop up on our screen. Then click on this copy icon. Then click on this duplicate icon here. We can see that the content on the first frame is also on the second frame. Click on this second frame. Then click on the duplicate icon again. We'll be doing this till we get to the last frame on this project. When you are done with that, we'll be having something like this. The next thing we have to do is to make our character to talk. Let's go back to this layer area. Then click on the lips layer. We'll be working on this lips layer in order to make our character to talk. We have to draw the shape of the lips to synchronize with the audio. We have to hold on our frames timeline here. Then we'll drag it slowly towards the left direction to listen to the sound from our audio on each frames. If I hold here and I drag it like this, you can hear the sound from our audio. We will start our lips drawing from the fifth frame. The first word from our audio says hello. When you say the word hello, picture the shape of your lips when saying that word. We'll be having something like this. We will repeat the same thing in the next frame. The next frame has the O sound. So we'll draw the O shape of our character's lips. We have to turn on the onion skin for this project before we continue. So click here. Then click here to turn on the onion skin. Now we can start drawing from this area. Let's turn off the onion skin to see what we have drawn. So this is what we have here. We will be repeating this step on all the frames in this project. Once we are done, we will have something like this.
Hello guys, I want to show you how to make Rico animation kind of videos with your smartphone.
Finally, it is time for us to save our work and produce it as a video. So click on these three dots here. Then you click on make movies. Then we scroll down and click on make movie. So we just have to wait for some few seconds for our video to be produced.
Fire.
Once it is done, you can watch your video and also share it on any of these social media platforms here.